CSIR Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research welcomes you in the coal capital of India, Dhanbad. CSIR-CIMFR has its significant role as a singular and leading civilian-funded research laboratory in the area of mining engineering and fuel sciences. This institute has successfully developed a number of award-winning technologies which are being widely practiced by the mining and fuel industries for sustainable extraction and utilization of coal and mineral-based natural resources.
CSIR Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research is a premier institute with needed know-how and R&D services covering the entire value chain from mine to market in India and abroad. This institute had its significant role as a leading public funded research laboratory in the area of mining engineering and fuel sciences. Located in the heart of coal mining and other allied industries, the institute had unique advantage to understand and intervene into the intricate problems and issues related to the industries. It is a storehouse of valuable knowledge base and state-of-the-art technical infrastructure to fulfill its vision, that is to be an internationally acclaimed mining and fuel research organization.
This institute has a unique compilation of documents in its Knowledge Resource Center which support the scientific manpower with an up-to-date R&D information backup. This institute has gained strategic experience of Indian geomining conditions ranging from strong and elastic rock mass of igneous origin to brittle and fragile strata of sedimentary origin. CSIR-CIMFR scientists frequently visit underground sites to collect geological information, rock mass properties, and ground control issues for the optimal design of mine openings under existing site conditions of Indian minefields since its inception. Since the site conditions keep varying, therefore, the design of geotechnical elements of a mining technology is tuned as per the existing geomining conditions by this institute. Capabilities of this institute to conduct geotechnical study for optimum slope design of coal and non-coal open cast mines and dumps, prediction of instability in mines and dumps, 3D mine modeling and excavation volume computation of open cast coal and non-coal mines has not only benefited the mining industry but proved to be vital for the energy security of the country. Laboratory testing of the collected coal samples from field provides important inputs of physico-mechanical properties for the design of a mine opening. The rock testing, as per ISRM standards, in the laboratory conducts different tests for these properties. This laboratory provides an opportunity to conduct different tests for the establishment of formation, size, and shape effect over the strength of the rock. Generally, the field investigations remain discrete in time and space. Therefore, simulation of the mining structures is done in idealized laboratory conditions for parametric investigations. This institute has developed a good expertise of different simulation techniques for geotechnical simulation and their calibration through existing empirical formulations. CSIR-CIMFR has recently acquired the facility for high-power computing to solve complex problems of the simulation. RMR developed by this institute may be an example which is being used by each and every coal mine of the country for their roof support design. Geomechanics and backfilling group of this institute has conducted extensive investigations to promote safe ground support methods and technologies. Ground control solutions for mining industry including stowing and paste filling. The Rock Excavation Engineering Division of this institute is one of the most sophisticated and equipped laboratory. This department has successfully resolved many challenging problems. The group has expertise in mine-to-mill optimization and fragmentation, controlled demolition blasting, controlled surface blasting, etc. CSIR-CIMFR is engaged in harnessing energy from various non-conventional sources such as coal bed methane, coal mine methane, ventilation air methane, and underground coal gasification. The institute investigates the categorization of degree of gassiness of coal seams having below-ground workings on the basis of methane emission. A mine fire model gallery has been designed and constructed at this institute to understand the different aspects of fire dynamics. The gallery is equipped with modern instrumentation system to monitor the important fire parameters. The scientists of the institute have acquired fair knowledge in the field of developing wireless communication, control and monitoring systems for hazardous areas using advanced techniques for safety of the miners, where a single spark can turn out in a disaster. This laboratory is equipped with the state-of-the-art NABL accredited laboratory for testing, certification, design, evaluation of X equipment for hazardous area as per IS, EN, IEC codes. CSIR-CIMFR possesses national testing facility for the wire rope, roof support equipments and CSG components along with its failure analysis to provide safety in mines. This institute is engaged in conducting non-destructive investigation of rope evaluation enabling optimum utilization of wire ropes. Testing miners' safety equipments like lamp, shoe, cap and belt are extensively done in the laboratory to improve safety and their design. Natural Resources and Mining Environment Group of this laboratory is contributing for conservation of soil and biodiversity, carbon footprint and carbon sequestration, socio-economic and agro-ecosystem study, wildlife management plan, bioreclamation of degraded ecosystem in mining areas. Recently, this institute has taken up a challenging task to provide safe drinking water by reclaiming the mine water to nearby villagers in the Jharia coalfield area. This laboratory has developed a road dust collecting and briquetting system, and the patented technology has been licensed to Messrs Tata Motors Limited, Mumbai, India, and the industrialized model has been developed which is in the process of field trial. Roorkee Research Center is working exclusively in geotechnical engineering and underground space utilization with application in large civil engineering and construction projects. The center has extended the technical support to various organizations, to name some: Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Defense, Indian Railway and Delhi Metro. CSIR-CIMFR has been engaged in R&D activities in the area of coal washing. Due to the drift origin, Indian coals not only contain excessive mineral matter as contamination, but the manner in which it occurs makes them largely inherent. As a result, such coals are very difficult to beneficiate. This has led to the development of different washing techniques. This institute contributed significantly to address the problems of coke-making technologies through rigorous research and developed beehive-type coke ovens of smaller sizes with and without stamp charging for making flexibility in coke making. Not only for the industrial but for the domestic sector also, this laboratory developed technology for domestic fuel by low-temperature carbonization and pelletization techniques. CSIR-CIMFR is pioneer in detailed characterization in terms of chemical, physical, petrography, minerals, followed by evaluation of combustion behavior in laboratory, bench scale and pilot scale. The awareness of the increase in greenhouse gas emission has led to the development of clean coal technology. This institute is now having a multifaceted gasification program to correlate gasification performance of different feedstock and to develop a methodology for scaling up of existing fluidized bed gasifier. Presently, CSIR-CIMFR is in a position to suggest operational parameters of Indian coals and to develop a methodology for scaling up of gasifier for particular coal. In India, coal to oil as an alternative route to supplement the fuels has been periodically reviewed and considered at root level. Earlier, this institute studied coal liquefaction, particularly coal hydrogenation at laboratory, and a 0.5 TPD high pressure plant was set. Presently, a pilot plant for coal to liquid synthesis of maximum 5 litre per day liquid hydrocarbon production capacity is installed and commissioned at this laboratory. The success of laboratory-based process development, liquid fuel synthesis as well as gasification has led to pilot plant development for coal to liquid synthesis. Resource Quality Assessment Division of CSIR-CIMFR helped many user industries regarding utilization aspect of coal for suitable use. Coal Petrology wing of this institute has been actively engaged with the resource quality assessment. Presently, this institute has taken over the mega project of coal sampling for entire power sector at loading as well as unloading point, which will help in optimizing the power cost. Research Group of Industrial Biotechnology Division of this institute is dealing with the developing new techniques and applications of modern microbial research tool for coal-based industries. This institute has infrastructure of sophisticated bioreactors from lab scale to pilot scale and analytical facilities for value-added products, extraction and analysis. Thank you.